Hello viewers, welcome back to the Affiliate Marketing Complete Course for Beginners. In the previous class, we discussed e-commerce business. We covered what is an e-commerce business, how does e-commerce work, what types of products you can sell, how to start an e-commerce business, why that lesson is important in our course. In today's class, we will talk about what is guest posting and how you can build a business using guest posting. What is guest posting? Before understanding guest posting, you need to understand SEO. SEO means search engine optimization. There are many search engines, but generally when we say search engine, we mean Google. For example, when you search for something on Google, the website that appears at the top usually gets the most visitors. The most users click on the first result. This means the top ranked website receives the most audience and the most benefits. That's why every website owner wants to rank on the first page. There are two main ways to appear on the Google first page. Paid method, running ads. Free method, following Google rules and optimizing your website. This free method is known as SEO. SEO has many rules and techniques, and one of the most important technique is guest posting. Let's understand this with a practical example. First, go to Google and search for SEO journal. Click on the official website. For SEO professionals and social media marketers, this website is highly valuable and receives a massive amount of traffic. Okay, now click on the social section. Here you can see several pieces of content. Let's open one of them. So click here. This content is about Perplexity AI and Reddit. You can see how many people shared this content and how many people read it. So clearly, this is a popular piece of content. Scroll down a little. Here you will notice several hyperlinked text. Let's open two of these links. Now observe one important thing. These two hyperlink points to two different types of content. One link leads to another article inside the same website SEO journal. In SEO terms, this is called internal linking. The other link leads to a different content on another website. This is called an external linking. So, when a website links to its own other articles, it's called internal linking. And when a website links to another website, it's called external linking. Both types of links are very important for SEO. This external link is known as backlinks or guest posting in SEO language. In simple words, when another website links to your website, that means you received a guest post or a backlink. I hope now you clearly understand what guest posting is. Why guest posting done and what are the benefits? Guest posting mainly has two powerful purposes. Number one, you get targeted audience. Imagine you publish a guest post on SEO journal and add a link to Forbes.com inside the content. Now, when readers read that article, the serious and interested readers will click the link and visit Forbes.com. Once they land on Forbes.com, the website benefits in many ways. They can show banner ads and sell products. They can offer a free gift and collect email or contact information. They can use internal links to send visitors to an important page. So, guest posting brings high quality targeted visitors who are already interested in your topic. Number two, Google receives a positive signal. When visitors come from SEO journal to Forbes.com and spend time here, Google sees this as a positive and strong ranking signal. Because a quality website SEO journal link to Forbes.com, real traffic is coming through that link and users are spending time on the website. Google understands that Forbes.com has useful and audience-friendly content, and this helps Forbes.com in ranking. Of course, ranking depends on many factors, but guest posting is definitely one of the most powerful ones. How do you build a business with guest posting? Since guest posting gives you traffic, authority, and ranking benefits, no website will give you a link for free. You must pay the website owner for a guest posting opportunity. Similarly, when your website becomes popular and starts getting a lot of visitors, other website owners will buy guest posts from you too. The more authority and traffic your website gets, the higher price you can charge for guest posting. This is how guest posting becomes a strong and stable business model. Now, an important thing, guest posting has rules. You cannot just link anywhere, there are important rules. Don't take links from spammy websites. Always choose relevant websites. Make sure the site has authority and real traffic. And always follow safe linking practice. We will discuss these rules in detail in the upcoming classes. Today's lesson was only to explain why guest posting is done, what benefits you get, and how it supports your affiliate marketing journey. If you did not fully understand the class, please watch it again. To get future updates of our affiliate marketing full course, subscribe to the channel and share your feedback in the comments. Thank you so much. Have a great day.